Rick Hoops with GoEngineer. We're out here with Dan, where he builds race cars. We're at his shop. We're going to use the Creaform Go Scan Spark to get the scan acquisition on a BMW M3 so we can build a custom roll cage. Let's go scan.
My name is Daniel Immeyer, and I build race cars for a living. Using Creaform technologies will set me apart from the competition in many ways, but one of the most important ways is just being able to put an entire car in the computer allows me to do things like build a tighter fitting roll cage, which is so important not just for performance but for safety. Getting the roll cage as far away from the driver is imperative in the cars we're using. It's typically very close to the driver, so just being able to create that margin for compression in that roll cage so that the driver in the car is far enough away from it so that they don't come into contact with it in a wreck could save their life or protect them from some sort of serious injury, and that way they can go back and race another day. And that's one of the main things, but it's endless from there. I mean, since we'll have a shell scanned in the computer, we can design anything attached to that shell and make any product we want from there on forward, and that's just not possible without Creaform technologies. And that's why we're here today, and that's why we're interested in this technology. You can scan the floorboard.
Yep.
And that thing is literally like, it has nothing to do with like a uniform contour. It's all over the place.
Yeah.
But you could literally just fold up a foot box that meets all those lines.
Yep.
Out of a sheet of metal that's been cut to perfectly hit all those spots.
Yeah.
Like that. And what normally would take hours and hours and hours to do
is now you have it,
yeah.
And you can start catting right from that.
And that's just one little detail, but it's
brilliant.
Just, yeah, keeps going. So.
When was your first race?
April.
April?
I don't know what time
Ridge?
in April, at the Ridge in Shelton. Yeah. And there should be one more at the Ridge at some point, one at Pacific Raceway, one at Oregon Raceway Park, one at Portland International Raceway, and one at Thunder Hill Raceway in California. So as long as the car doesn't break, we'll be at all of them.